at least test that sparkling wine.
It's hot now. Yeah. There's no.
At least I tested it. I saw the picture of the Esplanade is similar to physical.
Yeah,
Decoration is similar.
it's there.
Yeah, but it's similar, the decoration. I saw some rooms and it's approximately similar to this one.
Did you want to pass the Atlantic?
I'm just saying.
No, but today shall we go and pass Atlantic?
Why?
To have a look.
Well, okay.
For the future, so if someone can, or you don't really want
No,
to.
we can.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we can. And we can maybe have them like if
It's recording, woman. Yeah, go on. Yeah. If what?
we can have them if we can visit like a room just to
That's
check
what
it.
I just said to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when we come out here, we can go look for it. Come back and we can go look for it. Come back and park the car here and go to the ocean. That's it. Yeah. You know, this is the DG. Look. I don't know if it's the mini, so it's a DG Mini 2 SE. This is what everybody's using now, isn't it? But this is the cheaper version. As in, there's one that you get that has covers and all that. You get what I mean? I didn't buy that. It's a waste of money. £100 more. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, we can have a look and see how the rooms looks like. And yeah.
Yes, I want to focus on it. My nighties and everything can be seen. My what is it? What I'm saying is, I would like to go and check that hotel for the future and have a slight idea. Yeah, because this one I like it, but I feel I don't know. I don't feel 100%. Yeah, it would be a last result because you've been there. You get what I mean? There's even that one that guy said up there by that hill.
We've already been there. Next time, let's try another one.
No, but that one up the hill. You know the one that is, I was telling you, is in the hill. We are going there so we can go check it.
Yeah, we can check it.
Yeah, I think that's the Holiday Inn. But he said no.
Okay, he said no.
He said it
But
was.
he said also
No, I saw it. That's the one I saw online, and I was debating because I was thinking, because I think the way they have taken their pictures, I was thinking this is good for the way the ocean is. Absolutely brilliant. The only problem is it's the way everybody is. They're a bit cold. I don't know. I don't know.
Where?
Here. The food also was not the best. Sometimes people give a name, but the pool is nice.
The pool, the steam was okay. But yeah, there is definitely better. That's why sometimes it's better to just have like a lovely Airbnb. Like you've got the whole house for yourself, really well decorated, and you just go to a nice proper restaurant.
Yeah. Call a taxi and
Yeah.
Sometimes
it's better. This is what we used to do, like with my friend when we used to go on holiday. It's always Airbnb and we're going to any restaurant. So you don't have to eat at a certain time.
Oh, there is also like I was telling you, like caravan park, and then you come and park by the beach here and enjoy. Sometimes even this kind, because caravan is the same thing. You're paying less. I mean, you pay the most. This bank holiday, everyone was coming, so that's what happened. But it's good to know. Will you start bathing, Umin, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna start bathing.
Yeah, because then, by the time these people come, they'll start coming in. Yeah. It's like 9, but by the time you bath and then I bath, because I don't want to rush, because yesterday we were rushing. And pack up and just tell them see you later.
No, honestly, it was really nice, Billy. It was really nice. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, the swimming was nice this morning. I think it was meant to be then.
Yeah, to be in the morning. And it was very, quiet. So we didn't have many people.
Mm.
It was good.
So you get spare. You have spare. Spare wings, these ones. The camera is there. Let me put here do not disturb. Gone surfing, please service my room. Because you come opening here when we're here.
Yeah, this was funny.
Hmm?
It was funny. It was a good time. It was just
Everything is perfect, Umen.
It was
Everything is
just
perfect. I know. You know what? You can just stay here and move to another hotel.
Yeah.
You stay in one, you move to the next one. That's what we would do. I wouldn't stay in the same hotel. I would move to the next
This
one.
is what I told you. It's better to move to different hotel. So.
So even if we don't go, we can just do that next time. Because I'm telling you, or try just another one and see how it is. Then you learn. Yeah. But this Cromwell, you need to book it in advance.
In advance, yeah, it's better.
Yeah. And I think it would be cheaper.
Okay, let me back.
So that goes the charger.
Jesus. Hi, buddy. See the back of my bra.
Umin, can you please shut the door because you'll be. So we've got another connector here. I think that could be, it connects to your mobile, or I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to read the instructions. Yeah, guys, I think this would be for instructions. Let's have a look. DJI, so. Oh, I think one of these is for charging the DJI, and the other one is for the remote, which is this one. And let's see. So that would be for charging. I don't know where you charge it. So you got your USB cable. It's a USB cable, guys. So that charges. Let's see. So if we take that up there, that charges there, so it fits there, that charges USB. So let's see charging it. Let's see, charging it, what happens. So I'm going to charge the DJI. I'm going to try and use it today. I'm not sure if it's going to hold any audio. I think you need USB cards, and I'm not sure. So if we pull this, your mobile sits here. Your mobile sits here, so you can record it through your mobile. Oh yeah, so if I actually do it through my mobile, it will record it instantly. So that's brilliant. You've got little things here. I don't know what they are. These ones, I think the ones that go in here, you screw there. Oh, so that one came out from this side, so I'd advise you to put it here. A remote, and this one here. So I think I need to, I've got an Apple phone, so I think I need to download the thing, and that's where you get your thing. You switch it on. You got it on I think cinema, and you got it on normal, and you got it on sport, and then you got your stuff here. Look, oh, it's on, so it looks like it may work. So that's your button there, but I'm going to charge it. So let's see what happens. This one, and see what happens, and I will record it for you. So that's what you get for your DJI camera. This is the Mini SE series. You don't have much with it. This is a little screwdriver, maybe for tightening the blades here when you use your new blades. So I'll put it back into the box there. I'll put that back in. All of these things I like to put them back, so in case you need it. So I'll put all that back in case it breaks or within the warranty of 1 year in the UK. So it says that's Japan flight safety rules. You've got your safety guide here, so I'm going to read that in a bit. And like I said, so all you've also got is, these are your wings. You're flying for propellers, these, right? So I think that's what that little thing is. It's to tighten them so that, you know, when they break or they're not flying well, you think you've got extra ones they give you here. So okay, so you pull that out, and that becomes your DJI. I don't know if that goes up or that stays like that. Let's have a look. Does that? Oh, so yeah, that goes up. That goes. Okay, so that, where was it? That also. What was it? That, does it flip out? What was it? That was like that. Was that like that? Because I've done this wrongly here. Because of this one. Jesus, I just. Oh, okay, yeah. So that goes down. That goes down. That's what it is. Okay, so that goes down to flip down, and that goes up. There we go. That's basically it. Let's see if we switch it on. Is there a switch on button? I think this button is a switch on button here. I need to charge it, guys. So let's charge it, and I'll come back to you on this DJI mini drone. So that's what you get. That's how you do it. And I'm looking forward to it and playing with it. My new toy. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video to see what you get on your DJI. There are others which is more expensive. This I paid $360. I got it on a discount because if I bought it, I got 20% off. It's about $380. There's another one the same. It's about $400 or $500, but you get the covers for it, like literally the cases. And you get more of these. You get extras. A bit more extras. I can't remember. If you look it up, it will show you. But I just bought the cheaper version because I don't need those. I can always buy some on Amazon which are cheaper, £10 maybe, and it can fit all the stuff that I have. So I hope the next video, or in 2 to 3 videos, it would be when I'm flying the drone for you. Okay, guys, have a good day. Thank you for joining my channel, and always a pleasure to have you here. And my name is Pen Mama Nation, known as Mama Nation. Taifa is the other word of nation. Take care.